Good evening, ladies and gents. My name is Chef Vicky Ratnani. I travel the world. I'm popularly or notoriously known as the gastronaut. Been through Peru, Australia, and now traveling through Thailand. And we said, why don't we cook a nice meal since we are staying here for a couple of days? Bon appetito and have a good time. Thank you. Hey guys, we're actually cooking a six hands dinner. The six hands are two of mine, two of Seefah, two of Karan's of course. And it's like a global inspired menu. So I'm doing a nice Malwani spice chicken with tomato and cashew nut sauce, which has pureed tomatoes, pureed cashew nuts, all the garam masalas, ginger, garlic, chilies and onions being cooked all the way down. Finished with a little bit of freshly roasted garam masala. Wow, this is just amazing. And a little bit of cream and some butter. That's it. So out here, we've divided the work really well. Karan is doing a mean moili, which is like a sea bass with a nice moili sauce, but in a causeway style with noodles. The moili sauce is very simple. It's onions, chilies, ginger, garlic, coconut milk, and fresh coriander. That's it. And then we have a nice beef with miso butter. It's like a very Korean, Japanese-inspired beef. And in between, we are giving them a beautiful salad with nice organic market greens, with a nice high-style passion fruit dressing with wild mushrooms. Masala sweet potato. It's almost done. Nice and juicy. Good evening, ladies and gents. Welcome to this global inspired dinner in Thailand. My name is Chef Vicky Ratnani. I travel the world. I'm popularly or notoriously known as the gastronaut. Been through Peru, Australia, and now Thailand. And we said, why don't we cook a nice meal since we are staying here for a couple of days? We started off actually with a dish which comes from the south of India called a moili sauce. And we're trying to give it like a cow soy.
I love the sea bass. It was really innovative.
The second course is slow roasted leg of chicken with these Malwani spices.
I find Thai food too hot, and this food has the sharpness, but a smooth sharpness that's very, very nice.
Then we're going to cool your bodies down with a nice crisp salad.
I think the salad is so nice, and I'm so proud that all the ingredients are come from Chiang Rai, but the taste is different from what we always have. That is incredible.
Moving on, we have grilled medallions of beef with gochujang miso butter, which is Korean and Japanese. Finally, then we have a tiramisu with mango salsa, which is sweet and salty with a strawberry ice cream. Bon appetito and have a good time.